Hey, it's Pat McGrew. We're here at Printing United, and we are talking to printers who are looking around the show. So, you folks, what have you seen that is really interesting since you've been here at the show this morning?
I'm really enjoying all the robotics. There's a lot of robotic stuff in here and automated things, and I think it's pretty neat, the new technology that's available.
What do you
The,
think?
the huge 3D acrylic printer. I
That
think
is
it's over there.
amazing.
Yeah, I forgot the name. Is Mavic?
Mivik
3D?
something that's
Yeah.
pretty nice.
Yeah,
It's,
they print them like they print huge statues.
it's pretty
So.
nice. Big 3D
And what
printer.
does your company do?
We are a one-stop shop. We have 3D. We do UV printing and
Yeah.
DTF printing and embroidery and yeah,
So, this show has everything you need,
everything
right?
we need. Yeah.
Yes.
So, as you're looking around the show, is there anything that has just blown your socks off?
That 3D printer.
Yeah, the 3D
that
printer,
giant
yeah.
3D printer that's
Yeah.
in the back. The
It's the
walk-in
size of a
printer.
garage.
You could probably print a car in that thing.
Yeah.
That's pretty wild.
Yes.
Yeah.
The Massivit printer.
Yes,
Okay,
that's
the
it.
Massivit
I
printer.
forgot the name. I knew it was an M. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're
We're
welcome.
glad you're enjoying the show.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thanks.
We're enjoying it.
Great.